As we understand, savings account balance will fluctuate as money is credited and debited from it. So, how does a bank calculate the interest it needs to pay on savings account? In case of savings account, the banks pay lower interest. Let's assume that it is 4% per annum. The rates have gone down in recent times, but we will use 4% for illustration. This interest is paid to the savings account holder usually at the end of every quarter. That is, it is typically paid on 1st of April, July, October, and January. The interest is calculated on a daily basis on the closing balance in the account. Let's understand what it means. 4% per annum means if you kept a constant balance of 100 in your account for a year, then you will earn interest of about 4 at the end of the year. Since the banks are asked to pay interest every quarter, you will get about 1 rupee every quarter. Let's assume that these are end of the day balances from 1st Jan to 31st March in your savings account. The sum of these balances works out to 18,68,000. There are 90 days in this period, and hence the average balance will be this sum divided by 90. This works out to 20,755.56. This is the average daily balance in this quarter. You must have learned the simple interest calculation formula in school. It is PRT. That is, interest amount is equal to principal P multiplied by interest rate R percent per annum, and that is further multiplied by tenor T expressed in years. Well, in this case, principal is the average balance, interest rate is 4% per annum. We can put that as 4 upon 100. The tenor in the formula is in years, and hence we must divide 90 days by 365 to convert days into years. Now, if you apply the formula PRT, then you will get the interest amount as 204.71. It's as simple as that. You could have also done the same calculation by working out interest on every single day. In this case, you would use end of day balance as the principal, interest rate would be 4%, and tenor will be 1 day divided by 365. You would need to add up such interest for every day to work out the interest for the quarter. That amount would be same as what we calculated here. Different banks offer different savings account interest rate. Newer and smaller banks are likely to offer higher rate as they would like to attract customers vis-a-vis well-established banks. However, the actual difference due to higher interest rate could be very small if you do not hold very large average balance in your savings account. For instance, 1% higher interest rate will result in additional interest of Rs 500 per year if you keep an average balance of 50,000 in your account. Interest earned from all savings account up to Rs 10,000 in a financial year is tax-free under Section 80 TTA of Indian Income Tax Act. Any interest amount above 10,000 will get added to your taxable income for the year.